Hello and welcome everyone. This is your host Abdul Majid Mangrio. Today we are going to learn how to take input from user in Java using scanner class. Let's get started. First of all, we will create a scanner object, scanner, new scanner. Okay, so let me tell you about something about this scanner class. Through scanner class, we can take input from user, like what he types, we can retrieve it in our Java application. This scanner class can also be used to get data from some file in your local system or any other medium, like something which is distantly available. You can read it using this scanner class. So we will just start with working on getting input from user. So for that we will pass input as system.in. So this will be our parameter for this scanner. It is representing, like, it is asking for user to enter, and this scanner is going to listen that. I hope the things are clear now. So let's get started. System dot out dot print ln. Okay. Uh, what's your name? And we can get data by using its methods like next ln. And this method is going to read the line which user is inputting. It is going to return the complete line. So let's store it some variable in some variable like name equals. Okay, let's try to print that. uh, your name is, and let's append the string object in the end, like name. By doing this plus operator, we can append two strings. So let's run this and see what's the output. Okay, what's your name? And the cursor is blinking. It is asking for some input, like for instance Abdul Majid. And let's press enter. Yes, so my name is printed. Your name is, and then the name. We can also ask for what's your age. So to get the age, we have a method like next. We will not use line because the return type of that is a string, but we are expecting an integer as age is in. We mostly give the age in integer like 20 years or etc. So for this, we are going to use next int and store it in some variable like h equals to. Okay, let's try to modify. um your name is, like, name. Your age is age. Let's try to print it. Okay, what's your name? Let's say like Abdul Majid Mangrio. Enter. What's your age? Let's say like 27. Enter. Okay, so we got our result, like your name is Abdul Majid Mangrio and your age is 27. So it has appended the name and age inside that. So guys, this was all about getting input from user. We can make some creative utilities using scanner class in Java. So stay tuned and we will get something interesting for you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.